Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to change language in Fallout New Vegas game. So after you launch Steam, go to the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you can see language option. It's already selected as English. From here you can easily change the language to any other language that is listed over here. So just for example, select French, and now your language will be changed to French language. You can easily restart your PC, and after that you will find the language in that particular language you have selected. Now if you want to revert it back once again to English, then again go to Steam, on the library section select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, now click, and under general here you have to select English, and it will change to English once again as before. So by this way you can easily change the language of Fallout New Vegas game to from English to any other language and revert back it to English once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.